nito, very hard.
That goes deep quick.
Pahulam na yung kalo. Ba, kay Louie, kinayang upaw.
Big boy, come on. Boy.
Big boy!
Sana sila Dengdeng?
Ay, si Bo.
Madamdam ato yung picture dito ng umar tayo na.
Mamaya na daw, sabi ni Bong. Yung gate. Ganda, no? Asan yung pad ni GM? Iniwan niya sa sakyan. Ganda ng bato. Ganda. Upuan.
That's really nice.
Yeah,
I remember Michael Abel.
it's really nice here, hon. It's
Michael.
really nice.
Michael.
Michael.
Michael Aboy, the frog.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Nice breeze.
Yeah, I don't know why you say it's hot here. It's a lot cooler here than where we're at. I don't know what you're gonna do without AC when you leave.
I said, Ma, take me a picture.
Do what?
Ma, take me a picture.
This is nice.
Yeah. Ba't ayaw niyo mag-picture-picture? You like the place here? Ganda. Sarap na. First,
Yan ang picturing ko kayo para may remembrance.
G. Magandang dilag.
Place is huge.
Yeah. Want to drink?
Area.
I want to drink, hon, please.
You want to open?
If you're done that.
Wow.
Wow, it's until over there, oh.
Yes.
Big boy, picture, naka-picture kayo ni Tito Bong, oh.
Lalayo nyo naman, isang galamay. Bali, na itong kaligo na tayo.
Pagkain na gusto ko. Oh, let's go there. Let's go there.
Where?
Oh, it's ano, it's wide.
One, two,
I like the rock. It's not artificial, huh? Ay, may mga nipahat, oh. O, sakay ka sa turtle, GM.
Ang init lang yan. Ayun, sakit. Uy, look at the turtle, oh. Oh, take picture there.
Dito, dito. Ganyan kayo.
Go.
Yan.
Itsura, oh. Big boy, look at the camera. Oh, look, oh.
1, 2, smile.
Yung uuwing lagunang sunog. Ne, dali. Bibidyo ko sa Hershey.
Doon ka sa ano.
Grabe guys, sobrang ganda dito. Hot hand, come here.
Pumasok sa loob.
Oo. Sabi guys, kulang yung ano eh. Napakainit lang talaga pero sobrang ganda dito. Wala na ba doon, banda? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Big boy, egg, oh!
Oh, I guess may iglog. Oh, dito tayo.
May iglog.
Dito tayo.
It's really good adventure.
Yes.
So, ang galing nito po doon.
Guys, hindi kayo tumayo sa mga ano?
Back there, I don't know where you can go. I think that goes to the parking lot.
Ah. Like you can order like
Houses.
coffee shop.
Do you what?
Coffee shop.
Oh, sweet.
You want coffee?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
I always want coffee.
Ganda dito guys, grabe. Yan, coffee shop yan yung Nipahat.
Sila.
I'm ready.
I don't want.
No.
Excuse me.
Wala, hindi kayo magpapapagbigan sa mga.
Holy cow.
Wow.
Slippery.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the beach.
Cellphone niya?
Yung iPhone.
Last one. Napagod na yung ano nyo.
Pwede lahat.
Takbo-takbo rin ako. Tulad nung...
Have you seen their SM dog? It's so nice.
Not far away, ano? Kung
It's
saan.
so big.
I've seen it,
It's nice.
but I haven't been inside.
Oh, I want to go there.
It's just like 100 feet from where we're staying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can walk there and watch.
Mahal yung mga damit nila souvenir dito.
Sure.
Huwag na. Mabanas naman. Garbage nyo ah.
Wala na si Jason.
He's lost. He got lost inside.
Got lost.
The driver.
Tita Lisa kanina tumakbo siya sa akin. Nakita niya.
Oo. Kujibi!
Na para bang first time na siya.
Garbage. That's the bridge. Put it in there.
Ganda. Sulit na sulit yung init. Parang gusto ko, masarap dito pag ano, mahapon siguro. No?
Kung mag-symbol sa
Kayain ko nga kasi mag-i-alyo kami nila Ange. Bala ka namin next month eh.
Saan?
mga partilugan dyan.
Then, asan ba yun? Sakay ko nito dati.
Pwede ko nga rin.
Sabi ko nga din ma.
Magaling mag-English, Jason. Magaling mag-English.